Tinga 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 tinga. Tinga 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 tinga. Tinga tinga is a land full of stories and surprises.
Tell me about it.
If you like to wonder why, Tinga Tinga is a land of wise.
You won't believe your eyes.
Why I swing from tree to tree.
Why my trunk is long.
Why I'm so
Why I
slow.
tick, why my skin is smooth and slick.
You ask why.
Why?
You ask why.
There's a story. Beneath the Tinga sky.
Tinga Tinga Tinga.
Tales from Africa.
Tales from Africa.
Tinga tinga tinga.
Look at all my friends. I'll tell you why. Why parrots can't keep a secret.
Why parrot can't keep a secret?
Jumbo Parrot. But you see, there was a time when Parrot was the best keeper of secrets in Tinga Tinga.
So you won't tell Crocodile that you're going to pull his tail? You promise you won't tell? Is that a yes or a no?
Parrot couldn't open his beak, so the animals didn't mind if Parrot overheard their secrets because he never said a word.
Bye-bye, Parrot.
Wiry.
Poor Parrot.
1, 2, 3, 4. Now what comes after 4? Let me try again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Parrot. Parrot! Parrot doesn't come after 4. What are you doing there, Parrot? You should have said something. Oh, sorry, Parrot. You can't say something. Silly me. Big head, see? Tiny brain. Don't tell anyone, but I'm trying to teach myself counting. It's our little secret.
Wanyama! Animals! Animals!
That's Lion. He sounds angry. Come on.
Where is everyone? I want every beast here.
I'm coming, Your Majesty. I'm coming. What is it? Oh, my goodness.
Some beast has stolen my mane. This is not nature's way. Does anyone know who took it?
No.
Who would dare do such a thing? Shocking!
No one has seen anything?
We haven't seen anything.
We haven't seen anything. No.
How can I be king without my mane?
Your Majesty, we will search the entire land until we find your mane.
We will search treetops and the water holes.
We will check in every burrow.
And we will look under every rock.
Come on.
We'll find it.
Your Majesty,
Please don't look at me like this.
don't worry. We will find your mane.
Thank you, Leopard. Asante. Such a beautiful cat, Leopard, with such beautiful spots. Maybe she won't like me anymore. But that's just between you and me, Parrot. Not a word.
Nothing up here. Dearie me, nothing in the treetops. Meerkat, can you see anything?
Nothing on the plains, but always on the lookout. Bark, can you see anything?
Nothing underground.
This is not good. This is not good at all.
I've never seen Lion so angry. Do you think Lion was angry?
Yes, he was really angry.
Sorry, Tortoise.
Well, if you ask me, Lion looked quite plain without his mane.
Peacock, you shouldn't say things like that. Some beast could hear you.
Funny how you take away the mane, you take away the king.
Parrot's right there.
Oh, don't worry about Parrot. Parrot can't tell anyone anything. Can't open his beak.
I stole Lion's mane while he was snoring
underneath a tree. How does it look?
Oh, it suits you, hyena. Oh, sorry, I mean, Your Majesty.
You look quite the king.
It is nature's way, my friends. I am the new king of Tinga Tinga.
Let me try. Hyena, it's Parrot. He has seen us.
Don't worry about Parrot. He won't tell anyone.
He can't tell anyone. I want a go. Give me a go.
No. Let's hide the mane. Then we can all be king. Crocodile, come here. There you go.
No one will ever find it.
Without his mane, Lion can't be king.
We don't want Lion to be king ever again.
No.
Let's hide in the swamps. Oh, and Parrot, keep your beak shut.
Here, keep looking.
Sorry, Parrot, I can't understand you.
Sorry. Keep looking.
Parrot, this is no time for games. We have to find this mane.
Oh, Lion's going to stay angry forever.
Polly, sorry, Parrot, we can't understand you.
What will Lion do if we can't find his mane?
I don't know. Let's have some coconut before we start looking again.
Jumbo Parrot!
Jumbo Parrot. I know. It's really hard, this coconut. Well, if you want to try and open it, Karibu, please do.
Yes, you've got a hard beak. You have a go.
Go on. You try and open it. Uh-oh. Huh? Oh.
Yes! I found the mane! I found Lion's mane!
You opened your beak.
Parrot, you opened your beak.
Say something, Parrot. Say something.
I found the mane! I know where Lion's mane is!
Well, what are we waiting for? You've got to tell Lion straight away.
Yes, let's.
Aha!
Come on. Haraka, quickly.
I know where it is!
Oh.
Aha! In the middle of those rocks, Your Majesty! Your mane is underneath those branches!
Aha! I am King of Tinga Tinga! Parrot, I cannot thank you enough. You have done your king a great service. And do you know who stole my mane?
It was hyena and jackal and crocodile and lizard
And where are these scoundrels?
hiding in the swamp.
Hyena, jackal, lizard, crocodile. Show your faces before the king.
And they said they wanted to be king of Tinga Tinga.
Did they now? Well, we'll have to show them there is only one king of Tinga Tinga.
I'm sorry, Your Majesty.
That will teach them.
Your Majesty.
You have done extremely well, Parrot.
Thank you, Your Majesty. But there's more.
Go on.
Well, Peacock thought you looked quite plain without your mane.
Did he now?
But.
No buts, Peacock. Anything else?
Well, poor old elephant here can't count, and he's too embarrassed to tell anyone.
Parrot, that was our little secret.
Elephant, why didn't you tell me? I'll help you count. That's what friends are for.
Oh, thank you, Tortoise. Asante.
Ooh, the monkeys are going to pull Crocodile's tail.
Shh, Parrot.
I'm afraid we've started something we may come to regret.
Because Crocodile can...
So you see, Parrot was so pleased to have helped Lion that he couldn't stop. And that's why Parrot can't keep a secret.
Ooh, and there's one more thing. Lion was really worried. He thought the leopard wouldn't like him anymore without his mane.
Yes, Parrot. Thank you.
I'll always like Lion.
And lovely leopard and her beautiful spots, well, that's a whole other story. Cheza, cheza, come on, dance. Imba, imba, come on, sing.
Tinga, 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 tinga. Tinga, 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 tinga.
Tinga Tinga is a land full of stories and surprise.
Tell me about it.
If you like to wonder why, Tinga Tinga is a land of wise.
You won't believe your eyes.
Why I swing from tree to tree.
One more trunk is long.
Why I'm so
Why I
slow.
take one, my skin is smooth and slick.
You ask why?
Why?
You ask why?
There's a story. Beneath the Tinga sky.
Tales from Africa.
Tales from Africa.
Tinga Tinga Tinga.
Look at all my friends. I'll tell you why. Why Bush Baby has big eyes. But you see, there was a time when Bush Baby didn't have big eyes.
It's Bush Baby. Now, which way was it? Was it this way or was it that way?
Jumbo, Bush Baby.
Jumbo monkeys.
Are you lost?
Me? Lost? No. Why? It's just you are looking everywhere and saying, now which way is it?
So we thought maybe you are lost.
Me? Lost? I'm not lost. Oh, no.
But Bush Baby's eyes were so small that she was always getting lost, even though she'd never admit it.
That's elephant. It must be important. Yes, we must go immediately.
Wrong way, Bush Baby.
I've never seen anything like it on all my travels. What is it? What is it?
Well, it's just a very big hole, guinea fowl.
A very big new hole with lots of lovely fresh mud. But it wasn't here yesterday, and big holes don't just appear. Where did it come from, Your Majesty? Who made it, and why?
Too many questions.
Guinea fowl is right. Big holes like this don't just appear overnight. This is the work of Majitu.
Majitu?
Oh, Tortoise. Majitu is just an old tale about a big giant who used to roam about Tinga Tinga. It doesn't exist.
I hate to interrupt, Your Majesty, but from up here, that hole does look very much like the footprint of a very large beast.
The footprint of a giant beast.
A giant beast?
Look, there's a giant in Tinga Tinga.
A giant?
And not just any giant. Majitu, the great giant of Tinga Tinga.
Go on, Tortoise, go on. This is fascinating.
Majitu is so big, he makes elephant look like the size of a flea.
Ooh.
So tall, he makes giraffe look the size of a tiny ant. So scary, he makes...
Thank you, Tortoise, but no beast has ever seen this giant Majitu. As I said, it's just an old Tinga Tinga tale.
If no beast has ever seen him, then he can't exist.
Well said, Bush Baby. Now, let's just get on with our day, shall we?
Big news! Big news! Trees have fallen in the forest, and no bird knows why.
Aha! Majitu the giant.
A giant! A giant!
Stop saying that. Stop saying giant.
Elephant! We won't see Majitu. Giants don't exist.
Precisely. Let's just go and see, shall we?
Come on, Bush Baby. Come on, come on.
Let's go.
It must have been a giant. It must have been a giant.
Did any bird see a giant?
No, we didn't see a giant. We didn't see a giant.
Well, if you can't see him, he doesn't exist.
Quite right, Bush Baby. Giants don't exist.
But who could do such a thing to such big trees?
Majitu! It is said that Majitu the giant is so big, he can walk around the world in a single day. Knocking down trees and squashing...
Stop this nonsense, Tortoise.
What in Tinga Tinga was that?
Come on, let's go and see.
Bush Baby, what if Majitu is real?
Look, no one's ever seen this Majitu, so he can't be real.
Oh, no! The water hole is empty.
Who could have drunk so much water?
Majitu?
A giant so big that he could swallow an ocean in a single gulp.
Kimieni, calm down.
Yes, Lion.
Now, listen, everyone. This is getting silly. Giants do not exist.
If you can't see him, he's not real.
Well, I've never seen anything like this.
If Majitu exists, we have to see him. Agreed?
Yes, Your Majesty.
So, we'll start at the top of the mountain.
Oh, we're sure to spot Majitu from up here, all right.
Let's look, shall we? You see? A few wildebeest, a river. All is at peace in Tinga Tinga. No giants anywhere to be seen.
Perhaps Majitu doesn't exist after all.
Told you. If you can't see him, he's not real.
He could be hiding.
And where could a giant as big as Majitu hide?
In the great cave.
Well, let's go and see, shall we?
Yes, let's go and see.
Do we have to?
Oh, we're never going to see a giant, are we?
That's because they don't exist.
We know.
I must admit, even I'm beginning to have my doubts.
Calm down. It's just bats.
Phew, that was a bit scary.
You're telling me? What are you doing here?
Waiting for Majitu, the giant.
Majitu the giant?
We think he might be hiding in your cave.
In my cave? There is no giant in my cave.
That's because if you can't see him, he doesn't exist.
Well, thank goodness for that.
Well, animals?
We have searched the whole of Tinga Tinga, and there is no sign of a giant.
Tortoise?
Majitu the giant does not exist.
I told you.
Thank you, Tortoise. Now, I suggest we all get a good night's sleep.
Well, I might have got a little carried away.
Giants.
Well, I'm glad Majitu doesn't exist.
Me too. Me 3.
Me 4.
Now, which way is it back to my nest?
Bush Baby, do you want us to take you home?
No, thank you. Well, be careful of Majitu then. Ooh. I told you giants don't exist. Now, I'm sure it was this way. Or was it that way? What was that? Looked like some very big feet. Don't be silly. It's my tiny eyes playing tricks. Now, I'm sure it's this way. Yes, this way. Is that Majitu the giant? No. You're just seeing things. Giants don't exist. Giants don't exist. Giants don't exist. Giants don't exist. Giants don't exist.
Ah, that's Majitu. I thought you said giants didn't exist.
They don't. Giants don't exist at all. Huh? Majitu! I see him! I see Majitu! Hello! Giants do exist! Majitu the giant does exist!
Bye-bye.
Bye, Majitu! Bye-bye, Majitu! Everybody! I've seen Majitu the giant! I saw Majitu. I saw him with my very own eyes.
Don't be silly, Bush Baby.
Your eyes do look big enough to have seen a giant.
Yes, they do.
That's because I saw Majitu. He was very, very big and very nice too.
And that is why Bush Baby has big eyes. From the day she saw Majitu the giant, her eyes became as big as planets.
He had these big feet.
That's enough, Bush Baby.
If you don't believe me, ask Bat. Bat saw him too. Did you see the giant?
Yes, he was the size of a mountain.
See? I told you.
Too scared. And Bat in his cave? Well, that's a whole other story.
Beneath the Tinga sky. Tinga, tinga, tinga.
Cheza, come on, dance.
Tinga, tinga, tinga.
Imba, come on, sing.
Tinga, 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 tinga. Tinga, 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 tinga. Tinga, tinga is a land full of stories and surprises.
Tell me about it.
If you like to wonder why, Tinga Tinga is a land of wise.
You won't believe your eyes.
Why I swing from tree to tree.
One more trunk is long.
Why I'm so
Why I
slow?
take why my skin is smooth and slick.
You ask why?
Why?
You ask why?
There's a story.
Lots of stories.
Beneath the Tinga sky. Tinga, tinga, tinga.
Tales from Africa.
Tales from Africa.
Tinga, tinga, tinga.
Look at all my friends. I'll tell you why. Why guinea fowl has dots.
Always ask questions, monkey. Always ask questions. How, what, when, where, why? Always ask questions.
You see, there was a time when guinea fowl didn't have dots.
Wait, why are you following me, monkey?
I'm just telling the story of why you have dots.
Why I have dots? Now that is a good story. It's full of adventure and bravery and a desire to explore.
So here we go. Why guinea fowl has dots.
Now, hippo, dive to the bottom. And crabs, you all sit one on top of the other until you reach the top.
You heard, guinea fowl. One on top of the other. One on top of the other.
What is guinea fowl doing?
Trying to answer another one of her questions.
Why?
That's good, elephant. Always asking questions. But in this case, the question is how? How deep is the water hole? Aha! That's it, everybody. Now, how many of you are there?
One hippo and...
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 crabs.
Well, that's it then.
That's what?
That's how deep the water hole is.
Huh?
It's 1 hippo and 16 crabs deep.
That's brilliant.
Next. Why is it elephant is so much stronger than tortoise?
Come on, Tortoise, you can do it.
Trying. This is just getting silly.
Try again, Tortoise. We must find out why.
No, that's quite enough, thank you. Why don't you find out why trees are so tall?
Did that yesterday.
Why the sun is so hot?
Did that last week.
Aha! So tell me, why does the top of Mount Tinga Tinga shine?
Yes.
Why does it?
Now that is a good question. Why does the top of Mount Tinga Tinga shine?
No animal has ever found out the answer.
Then I shall be the first. The first animal to find out why the top of Mount Tinga Tinga shines.
Be careful, guinea fowl. It's a very long way away.
Oh, I will.
Be careful.
Be careful, guinea fowl. Be careful.
Oh, how exciting. What an adventure. Why the top of Mount Tinga Tinga shines. Oh. Oh, hot. So very hot. Ooh. Ah, camel.
Hello, bird.
The name's guinea fowl, actually. Oh, and I was wondering, Camel, if you could give me a ride. This sand is dreadfully hot.
Yes. Climb on.
Oh, thank you.
Ready?
Yes.
You're a long way from home.
I'm going to be the first animal who finds out why the top of Mount Tinga Tinga shines.
That is brave. It's very far away.
Well, I'm a brave bird, and I have to know why.
That is as far as I go. The end of the desert.
Thank you, Camel. Asante.
Good luck, guinea fowl. Be careful.
Oh, I will.
Very brave.
Oh, dear. Oh, no, this can't be right. This is the ocean. I must have taken a wrong turn. What in Tinga Tinga is that?
Jumbo, stranger. I am Whale. You must be a very long way from home. Are you lost?
Well, I am a little lost, actually. I'm trying to get to the top of Mount Tinga Tinga.
Oh, that is brave.
I'm going to be the first animal who finds out why the top of Mount Tinga Tinga shines.
Oh.
But I can't seem to see it anymore.
It's behind that forest. You can't see it because it's covered in cloud.
Oh, thank you, Whale. Very kind of you.
You're welcome. Be careful. It's a long way.
Well, I will. Oh, and what's that big whoosh thing you do? It's very clever.
Oh, this? That's my spout.
It's very good. Now, goodbye. Back on track. Now to the top of the mountain. That's it. Onward and upward. Imagine the first animal to find out why the top of Mount Tinga Tinga shines. How marvellous. Ooh. It's getting a bit chilly. Ooh. Oh, my. How beautiful. The whitest carpet of... I don't know what it is. It's cold, and it's wet, and it's soft. But what can it be? Oh, there This is why the top of Mount Tinga Tinga shines. Because of all this beautiful white. Yoo-hoo! Woo-hoo! Whale, I made it! I'm on the top of the mountain, and I know why it shines. Whale? Oh, never mind. Now, what in Tinga Tinga can it be? That's what it is. Beautiful specks of falling snow. I can't wait to tell everyone. Snow. Snow.
Lion, it's been a very long time since we saw guinea fowl.
We'll go and look for her.
Can we? Please?
Quiet, monkeys. This is serious.
Okay.
Lion, I will fly to the top of the mountain to find guinea fowl. She is one of my birds.
Very true, Eagle. Now, Enda Salama. Go safely.
Where are you, guinea fowl? Yoo-hoo! Woohoo! Snow.
There you are.
Oh, Eagle.
We were worried. Come on.
Eagle, I know why the top of Tinga Tinga shines. And when I got to the very top, the mountain was covered in this beautiful glistening white.
White?
That is why the top of Mount Tinga Tinga shines. This beautiful white.
What's it called?
Snow.
Snow? You saw snow?
Yes, yes. The top of the mountain was covered in snow.
I mean, I've heard of it, but I have never met any animal who has ever actually seen snow.
Well, I'm the first animal in Tinga Tinga to have seen snow.
What's it like?
What's it like?
Well, it falls from the sky and looks just like my new dots.
Well, it's ever so pretty.
Maybe your dots are made of snow.
How wonderful. My dots are made from falling snow.
And that's why guinea fowl has dots.
What else did you see? What else?
At the ocean, I met this wonderfully big animal called whale. And she spouts like this. Whoosh.
Why?
Oh, no. I completely forgot to ask her. No, I must find out why whale spouts.
And whale and her spout? Well, that's a whole other story.
Beneath the Tinga sky. Tinga, tinga, tinga.
Cheza, cheza, come on, dance.
Tinga, 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 tinga.
Imba, imba, come on, sing.
Tinga, 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 tinga. Tinga, 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 tinga. Tinga, tinga is a land full of stories and surprises.
Tell me about it.
If you like to wonder why, Tinga Tinga is a land of wise.
You won't believe your eyes.
Why I swing from tree to tree.
One more trunk is long.
Why I'm so
Why I
slow?
take why my skin is smooth and slick.
You ask why?
Why?
You ask why?
There's a story.
Lots of stories.
Beneath the Tinga sky.
Tinga, tinga, tinga.
Tales from Africa.
Tales from Africa.
Tinga, tinga, tinga.
Look at all my friends. I'll tell you why. Why buffalo has horns. But you see, there was a time when buffalo didn't have horns. He just had very long, shaggy hair.
Jumbo monkeys.
Jumbo Buffalo. Buffalo was at home eating reeds at the edge of the swamp. Until one day...
Ooh, did you see that? The swamp moved.
Huh? What is going on?
The swamp is getting bigger.
Move back, Buffalo. Move back. You'll have to find somewhere else.
But I live here.
Try the plains.
I will. Thank you, monkeys.
And Buffalo had to find a new home. Ooh.
A new home. A new home. Jumbo, everyone.
Jumbo, everyone. Jumbo, everyone.
Jumbo, Buffalo.
The swamp is getting bigger and bigger, and I'm looking for a new home. Would you mind if I stayed here on the plains?
Of course, Buffalo. You're welcome to stay here. Eat as much grass as you like.
Giraffe, but Buffalo doesn't have a horn. He's just very hairy.
Very hairy. Very hairy.
Only animals with horns live on the plains.
Charge! Think of the end of my nose! Charge!
What was that?
Rhino charging his own horn. Don't mind him. Oh dear, the swamp is getting close.
Which means we'll have less grass.
Less grass. Less grass.
I think I better find a different home. Maybe the plains are not for me.
Why not try the water hole?
Oh, yes, good idea. Asante, horned animals. Thank you.
Oh dear, every animal needs a home. Must find nuts. Oh, there we are. Must gather nuts.
Jumbo Squirrel, what are you doing?
Oh, Jumbo Buffalo, I'm gathering nuts in case there's any trouble.
Trouble?
Well, I'm worried about that swamp. If that swamp keeps moving, there won't be any food in Tinga Tinga, except for my nuts. Have one.
Asante, thank you. That is kind of you.
Well, can't have animals going hungry.
No, very thoughtful of you, Squirrel. Now, good day to you.
And good day to you, Buffalo.
Oops, sorry, Buffalo. I was trying to get Hippo.
That's okay, Elephant. I like water. Reminds me of the swamps.
What do you mean, reminds you of the swamps, Buffalo?
Well, Tortoise, the swamps are moving, so I was wondering if I could make the water hole my new home.
Karibu, Buffalo. You're welcome to stay here. We can trumpet together. Come on in, the water's lovely.
Asante, Elephant. Thank you.
Go on, Buffalo, you do a trumpet.
Wait a second.
Yeah, try again. Try again.
No. I can't trumpet like you, Elephant. But does anyone have some food? I am quite hungry.
Try some pondweed. You'll love pondweed.
Oh, Hippo, thank you. Asante. Oh, that really is very pondy and weedy and yucky. No, that's not for me at all. I think I better find another home.
Oh, poor Buffalo.
Maybe you should try Lion and the big cats. Lion has a big head of hair like you. You may feel more at home there.
Good idea, Tortoise. Asante.
Oh, poor Buffalo. Every animal needs a home.
Jumbo, Buffalo, how nice to see you. Jumbo, Your Majesty. I'm afraid the swamp is rising and I need a new home.
Well, stay here with us, Buffalo. Karibu, you are welcome.
Yes, stay, Buffalo.
Welcome, Buffalo.
In fact, you've come just at the right moment. It's grooming time. Perhaps you would like to join us. You do have a wonderful head of hair.
Asante, thank you very much.
Buffalo, try purring.
Try purring.
Oh my, that's not right, is it? Maybe I was just meant to be alone.
Nonsense, Buffalo. Every animal belongs somewhere. It is nature's way.
Your Majesty. Oh, Your Majesty.
What is it, Squirrel?
The swamp. It's moved so much that the horned animals are trapped. Look.
Oh, can you help us? The swamp is rising and we're trapped.
Quickly, we must go.
We're trapped.
Off we go, quick. Let's go.
Any suggestions, Tortoise?
That is a very big swamp, Your Majesty. I'm afraid I don't know what to do.
Yes, please. Oh, we could do with a little help.
Of course we will.
But how? What can we do?
Push back the swamp.
You can't be serious, Buffalo.
I am. I can do it. I know I can.
But how on earth are you going to do it?
Like this. Anything happen?
No, not yet.
Keep going,
Go on.
You can do it, Buffalo. Hoo, ha, hoo, ha, hoo, ha, hoo. Tortoise, look. Buffalo is pushing back the swamp.
It's amazing.
You can do it.
Hoo, ha, hoo. Still going back.
Yes, Buffalo, yes.
Go on.
Buffalo.
Come on, Buffalo. That's it.
Keep going.
Yes, Buffalo.
Well done.
You're a hero, Buffalo. A hero.
Yes, and you belong right here with us on the plains.
But I don't have any horns.
I know how to fix that, Buffalo.
How?
Something I used to be very good at. Just a minute now. Hand over once, hand over twice.
Why Squirrel braiding Buffalo's hair?
I don't know.
Hand over once, hand over twice. Got to look neat, got to look nice.
Why is she braiding?
What's going on?
Twice, got to look neat, got to look nice. Hand over once, hand over twice. Got to look neat, got to look nice.
Wait and see, elephant. Wait and see.
Hand over twice. Got to look neat. Got to look nice. Oh, yes.
Buffalo, they're probably the biggest horns I have ever seen.
How do they look?
Very fine. Very fine.
Asante, Squirrel. Thank you very much.
Now, don't move. Let those beautiful new horns dry in the hot sun.
What big horns!
Buffalo, listen. The horned animals are going to throw you a big party, and you are going to look magnificent.
The dogs.
Buffalo's horns are rock solid. They'll last forever and ever. It gives me great pleasure, Buffalo, to welcome you to the horned animals.
Welcome to the plains.
Welcome to the plains. Welcome to the plains.
My new home.
And as Buffalo is the strongest beast with the biggest horns, he must lead the celebration.
Let's dance the dance of the horns. Left, right, left, right. Left, right, left, right. I've got horns. Horns.
Move your horns.
And that is why Buffalo has horns.
Buffalo!
And Squirrel, with her clever braiding, well, that's a whole other story.
Very good. Shake your horns.
Tinga sky. Tinga tinga tinga.
Cheza, cheza, come on, dance. Imba, imba, come on, sing. Shuka shuka, shake it down. Woo-hoo. Ruka ruka, jump around. Woo! Tales from Africa.
Tales from Africa.